Here it goes.
Nature's juicer.
I know, he's gonna start.
He's getting some of it too.
He's taking the juice right
His legs are kicking in.
I can see him down. I mean, I can see the top of it. It's like, oh, look at him. Is that good, Braxton? Look at him. He just dives back for it.
Here, take it.
Look at his legs go.
Oh, no.
I guess that's some energy.
Oh, no. He's going to probably...
Look at him jumping.
Because of
Go
the
and hit
sugars
his
in
jaw
it.
in the bowl.
I know. He probably will. Look at him.
Here,
Look at him.
take it. All yours.
Am I?
And he's so...
It must not be sour. It is.
I know. It's kind of funny. I thought that it would be sour for him. Watch him go back for it. Watch him go back, babe. Keep it right out of reach, babe, and then he'll go. See if he does it. Goes, huh, huh. Watch. See. See. Okay. Oh, maybe he's not going to do it. He's going to be mad at you. Like, give me that. He's getting mad. Aw, Braxton, you just want to be a big boy and eat food, huh?
Give him off either.
Oh, it's like dripping all over his face. Look at him kicking.
Took out of that already.
Is that good?
Yeah, okay, I'm going to stop.